What is Amazon S3? Amazon S3 stands for Simple Storage Service. It is an object storage service offering industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. Customers of all size and industry can store and protect any amount of data for virtually any use case. Some of the examples of use case could be data lakes, cloud-native applications, and mobile applications. With cost-effective storage classes and easy-to-use management features, you can optimize the cost, organize your data, and configure fine-tuned access controls to meet specific business, organizational, and compliance requirements. Let us understand some of the use cases of Amazon S3. Number one use case, you can build a data lake. You can run big data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and high-performance computing applications to unlock the data insights. Number two use case, you can backup and restore critical data. You can meet recovery time objectives, recovery point objectives, and compliance requirements with S3's robust replication features. Number three use case, you can archive data at a very low cost. You can move data archives to the Amazon S3 Glacier storage classes to lower your costs, eliminate operational complexities, and gain new insights from your archived data. Number four use case, you can run cloud-native applications. You can build fast, powerful, mobile and web-based cloud-native applications that scale automatically in a highly available configuration. Let us now understand how Amazon S3 works. Amazon S3 has various features which you can use to organize and manage your data in ways that support specific use cases. It also enables cost efficiencies, enforces security, and meets compliance requirements. Data is stored as objects within resources called buckets, and a single object can be up to 5 terabytes in size. Amazon S3 features include capabilities to append metadata tags to objects, move and store data across S3 storage classes, configure and enforce data access controls, secure data against unauthorized users, run big data analytics, monitor data at the object and bucket level, and view storage, usage, and activity trends across your organization. You can get started with Amazon S3 by working with buckets and objects. A bucket is a container for objects. An object is a file and any metadata that describes that file. To store an object in Amazon S3, you create a bucket and then upload the object to the bucket. When the object is in the bucket, you can open it, download it, and move it. When you no longer need an object or a bucket, you can clean up your resources. Objects can be accessed through S3 access points or directly through the bucket hostname. I hope this video about basic understanding of Amazon S3 was useful to you. If it was, please like the video, comment below, and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you.